Today, I am going to show you an experiment on object detection using IR sensor with LED indicator. To this experiment, I am going to do it in Proteus software. The hardware experiment I have already done, and the link of the video is shared in description box. You can watch the hardware video. And in this object detection experiment, I am using IR sensor. Yeah, this is IR sensor module. And in Proteus, I'm using the IR sensor library module. And I have downloaded from the Google. And I'll show you how to download the library required for the Proteus. And after that I'll show you the experiment. And this IR sensor uses uh, two diodes. One is IR LED. The white one is IR LED, that is infrared light emitting diode. And another one, black one, it is a photodiode. It is infrared receiver. And these two components work together to detect the objects. So IR LED, this acts like a infrared transmitter. It emits the infrared light, and this infrared light is invisible to the human eye. And the photodiode, it acts as a infrared receiver, and it is a semiconductor device. It detects the infrared light which is reflected by the object. When it emits the IR light, it go and hit the object, and the light will be reflected back towards the IR sensor, and the reflected light is received by the receiver, that is IR receiver, or we also call it as photodiode. So this will convert the received IR light into electrical signal. And the module converts the received IR light into electrical signal. So this is about the IR sensor module. And the IR LED, when IR LED emits the infrared light, it emits continuously. Always it keeps on emitting the infrared light. When an object comes in front of the sensor, then the IR light reflects off the surface. The photodiode receives that reflected IR light and generates the current based on the intensity. So that is the principle behind that. Where it is used? It is used in object detection like robots, automation projects, and it is used in line following robots. It is used in IR based cameras, and this IR sensor module is also used in automatic doors and hand dryers, etc. Okay, so these are the applications of IR sensor. Now let us open the Proteus software. So this is the Proteus software. Here I have already downloaded the library from www.engineeringprojects.com. And this model it has got three pins: out pin, ground pin, and a VCC pin. VCC pin is connected to DC supply 5 volts. So in edit property, you can check. I have given 5 volts here. And ground is connected to ground pin, and out is connected to LED through current limiting resistor 100 ohm. And since the object, we cannot show the object, or we cannot bring the object in front of this IR sensor module. So in Proteus, we will connect one toggle switch here. So this is called as a logic state. Here you can give 0 or 1 from this toggle switch. So if you are giving 0, it means that no object is coming near the in front of the IR sensor. If you are giving 1, it means object is coming in front of the IR sensor. Okay, so that will do it. I'll make this 0 and turn on the simulation. So now since it is 0, it means no object is near the IR sensor module. Therefore, the LED is off. When I turn on this, so it means the object has come near the IR sensor. Therefore, the LED is on. So 0, no object, LED off. 1, object, LED is on. In this way, it is used to detect the object. So now I'll show you how to construct this using the Proteus. This is already constructed circuit I explained. Now I'll explain how to construct this circuit. So I'll close this project. Okay. Now I'll open the new project. So give the name of the project as IRsensor. Click on next, 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 finish. Here you need IRsensor module. So if you are doing for the first time, you will not find IRsensor in the library. So for that purpose, first you should download the library file. The link of the IRsensor library files I have given in the description box. You first download this. So I have already downloaded. I'll show you. So I'll go to the downloading option. This is my downloads. Here I have downloaded the IRsensor library for a Proteus. Right click on this and you click on extract here. So I have already clicked. After clicking extract here, I'll get three files, IRsensor .hex, .idx and .library. So copy all. So first select all the three files and copy this. Okay, then go to the drive where you have installed the Proteus. I have my Proteus is there in C drive. In C drive, uh, I have a folder like program files. Click on that. Here you have to click on Lab Center Electronics. This is very, very important. So in this folder, you will have a Proteus software, Lab Center Electronics. In this, my Proteus I am using today is Proteus 8 Professional. Click on that. So here you will have a one more folder, data. Click on that. So here you will have one more folder, library. So you come to library and right click and paste it. So since I have already pasted, I will not again click on paste. So you paste it. So when you click on paste, all three files will be copied into your Proteus library. After that, close this. Go to the Proteus. Now you search for IRsensor. Okay. Here I have IR obstacle sensor. So click on this. You will get this. You will see this module. Click OK and place somewhere here. Okay. This I have downloaded from engineeringprojects.com. Next, first we should give the VCC. Click on generator mode. Click on DC. Do X mirror. Okay. So connect VCC to this supply. Okay. So right click on this. Give the supply 5 volts. 5 volt is enough for an IRsensor. Then select the ground. Connect this to ground pin. Now out pin. So select one resistor. Sorry. So click on component mode. Select resistor. So I'll select generic resistor. Click OK. Place here. Okay. So connect this out pin to resistor. And from this you need one LED. I'll connect one LED. I'll always select LED BB. This I'll select. Click OK. Press here. Connect this resistor to LED and the cathode should be connected to ground. Connect the cathode to ground. But the voltage resistance should be very small. I'll select 100 ohm resistor, not kilo ohm. If you select kilo ohm, the brightness will be very, very low. You can try that. So on the construction, everything is over. Now I need a push button switch or a toggle switch for a test pin. So select to toggle. So logic toggle, select logic toggle. Connect this to test pin. So you do it X mirror. Now connect this to the test pin. Now it is 0. You turn on the simulation. 0. So when you turn on the simulation, you will get this type of error. See, this is an error, fatal simulation error. So why it is error we are getting me? Because after construction of this, you right click on the module, go to the edit properties. Here you have to load your hex file. Click on this. So in downloads, you have a IR file. Sorry, that I have to show you. Download where it is. In downloads, I have a IRsensor folder. In this, I have to select infrared sensor .hex. So double click on this. I'll minimize this. So from here you open, go to the downloads option. Here you have IRsensor library. Select the hex file, open it. So here it will open. Hex file should be open. Then click OK. Now you turn on the simulation. So for 0, LED is off. For 1, LED is on. For 0, LED is off. So the very important thing is you have to add the hex file in this module. So this is all about object detection using IR sensor in Proteus.